Supreetha. Welcome to my math class. In the previous lecture on trigonometry, we studied the definition of trigonometry. Yes. And then we studied about three trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cos and tan. Okay. What is the formula for sine theta? It is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Yes, what was cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Agree? What was tan theta? It was opposite divided by adjacent. Yes, in some of the textbooks you can find opposite. Yeah, they say opposite as perpendicular. You should know that perpendicular and opposite side means the same. Okay, so let us study about the other three trigonometric ratios that I mentioned in the previous video. What were they? They were cosecant, yes, secant, and then cot. Agree? So we defined cosecant theta as hypotenuse divided by opposite. You can see that sine theta and cos theta are reciprocals of each other. Agree? So secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Okay. Now cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So the definition of cot theta is adjacent divided by opposite. Okay. So now let us solve a problem on trigonometry. We even solved some problems in the previous video, right? So here's a question. They've given us a triangle, yes, A, B, C, and there is one more triangle inside this triangle, that is BDC. Yes, here angle X is at A, angle Y is at C. The question is to find 2 sine Y minus cos Y. First, let me write down sine Y. Okay, what is sine Y? What is the formula for sine? It is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Okay, now where is this angle Y? It is in the triangle BDC. Let me draw the triangle BDC. Yes, this is a triangle BDC. Yes, angle D is the perpendicular. Yeah, that is the triangle is right angled at D. Okay, so now BD is 9. Yes, DC is 12. Okay, and BC, that is the longest side, is the hypotenuse. Okay, let us find this hypotenuse. What is the formula that we use? We use Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem say? The hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Okay. Now, what is the value of BD? BD is 9 square. What is DC? It is 12 square. What is 9 square? It is 81 plus 144. What is the value of this? Come on, calculate it. 225. Agree? So if BC square is equal to 225, then BC is equal to square root of 225, which is equal to 15. Agree? So now the unknown side, that is BC, is 15. Okay, now can you tell me what is sine Y? Sine Y is, where do we have the Y? It is over here. Okay, now tell me what is sine Y? It is opposite. Which is the opposite side to Y? 9, right? Which is the adjacent? 12. And the hypotenuse, as we know, it is 15. Yes, now can you tell me what is opposite by hypotenuse? That would be 9 divided by 15. Can you tell me what is cos y? Yes, cos y is equal to 12 divided by 15. Okay, now let us calculate the first one. Okay, so the first question is 2 sin y minus cos y. Okay, so that would be 2 into 9 divided by 15 minus cos y is 12 divided by 15. So what is 9 twos are? It is 18 divided by 15 minus 12 divided by 15. Now we have 15 and 15 in the denominator, so LCM would be 15. Subtract the numerator, that is 6 divided by 15. So we've solved the first question. The answer is 6 divided by 15. Okay, observe the second question. We know what is cos y. Let us try to find what is sin x. To find sin x, we know what is AC. BC is 15. Yes, we just found it using Pythagoras theorem. Now, we don't know what is the value of AB. How do we find it? So yes, on applying Pythagoras theorem, how would you apply Pythagoras theorem for the triangle ABC? Let me draw the triangle ABC. Yes, something like, yeah, this is angle A, angle C, and angle B. Okay, the side AC is 25, the side BC is 15. Now, to find this side, how do you write it as? Do you write it as AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square? If this is how you solved it, you're just rushing things. You haven't observed one minute thing. What is that? Can you guess? Okay. So do you see in the triangle, yeah, the perpendicular side is mentioned at B. If the perpendicular is at B, which is the hypotenuse? Can you guess? So I usually remember hypotenuse as opposite to this angle. Or you can say the highest side, yeah, the highest value. Okay. Or the side that doesn't have perpendicular. Yeah, anyhow, you can remember it anyhow. Okay, let me erase this. Yeah. Now, the formula is AC square is equal to, why is it AC square? Because this is the hypotenuse now, because we have perpendicular at B. Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? It is 25 square, which is 625. Okay, what is AB square? That is something we have to find. So let me take it as x square. What is BC square? It is 15 square. So I would get x square plus 225. So now x square is equal to 625 minus 225, which is nothing but 400. Now if x square is 400, x would be square root of 400, which is 20. Okay, so now the value of AB is 20. Okay. So now let me observe the second question. What is the second question? It says find 1 minus sin x, okay, plus cos y. Yes, this is the question. Now what is cos y? Cos y was 12 divided by 15, right? So now let me write down 1 minus, what is sin x from the triangle ABC? Sin x is equal to, yes, opposite, that is 15 divided by hypotenuse, that is 25. Okay, so what would I get? 1 minus sin x, that is 15 divided by 25 plus 12 divided by 15. Okay, can I cancel this? Yes, so I would get 1 minus 3 divided by 5 plus 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Yes, 4 divided by 5. Okay, so now the LCM of these would be 5. Okay, and it would be minus 3 plus 4. Yes, what is minus 3 plus 4? That would be 1 divided by 5, and the LCM is 6 divided by 5. Okay, so you can observe the first one and the second one, we got the same answer, that is 6 divided by 5. Yes, now what is the third one? It says 2 sin x minus cos x. Let us try finding what is 2 sin x minus cos x. Okay, so yes, it is 2 sin x minus cos x. What is the value of sin x? Sin x is 15 divided by 25 minus, what is the value of cos x here? The value of cos x is adjacent, that is 20, divided by hypotenuse, that is 25. Okay, so cos x value is 20 divided by 25. Yes, so can I cancel this? 5 3s are, 5 5s are, again 5 4s are, and 5 5s. So 3 2s are 6 divided by 5 minus 4 divided by 5. LCM is 5 and 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, this was the answer of the third one. Let us try solving the fourth one, that is 2 cos x, 2 cos x minus 3 sin y plus 4 tan x. Okay, now what is the value of cos x that we got? It was 20 divided by 25. Yeah, or I'll directly write it as 4 divided by 5. Okay, minus, what was the value of sin y that we got? It was 9 divided by 15. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So I'll directly write it as 3 divided by 5. Okay, plus 4. Yeah, they are asking us tan x. Yes, for tan x, which is the triangle that we take? That is triangle ABC, right? Because at angle A we have x. Okay, what is tan x from the triangle now? Tan x is equal to opposite 15 divided by adjacent, that is 20. Okay, so can I write this as 3 divided by 4? Yes, so let me substitute the value of tan x as 3 divided by 4. Yes, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Okay, now we have 4 2s are, 4 2s are 8 divided by 5 minus 9 divided by 5 plus 3. Here the denominator is same. So let me directly write as minus 1 divided by 5 plus 3. So this would be equal to, the LCM is 5. Let me cross multiply. I'll get minus 1 plus 5 3s are 15, which is equal to 14 divided by 5. Yes, so what did we study in today's class? We tried solving a trigonometric problem. We had two triangles. Yes, we had triangle ABC, and B, D and C. Yes. So I wrote triangle BDC over here, which looks something like this. The right angle triangle was at D. We had the sides 9 and 12. We found the hypotenuse using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. We found that the other side was 15. The first question was to find 2 sin y minus cos y. Since the angle y is in the triangle BDC, we took only the triangle BDC. Yes, so for the value of 2 sin y minus cos y, we got 6 divided by 15. Yes, for the second one, we have 1 minus sin x plus cos y. Okay, so we knew what is y. We took the triangle BDC for the angle y. Now, for sin x, the angle is x. So we have to take the triangle ABC. Agree? Yes. So, from the triangle ABC, yeah, if we apply Pythagoras theorem to find the side AB, we got 20. Yes. And after finding sin x, we substituted that in the question. We substituted cos y, and after some small simplifications, we arrived at 6 divided by 5. Okay. Now, the third question was 2 sin x minus cos x. Yes. So, what was 2 sin x minus cos x? So, we used for sin x, that is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos x is adjacent by hypotenuse, and we arrived at 2 divided by 5. Yes, and the fourth one, as you can see, it is 2 cos x minus 3 sin y plus tan x. Yes, we just substituted the values and we got 14 by 5. Okay, so if you have any doubts, drop it in the comment box below. Thank you.